Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
The systems delivering water to your tap, they rely on the cloud for real-time monitoring and control.
But this digital shift has created new, invisible vulnerabilities, putting our most essential resource at risk.
And get this, about 70% of water utilities inspected violated basic cybersecurity standards. That's a huge number.
So the big question is, how do these breaches even happen in the first place?
Well, it often comes down to two simple but really critical points of failure. Let's dive in.
First up, misconfigured settings. Think of it as leaving the digital backdoor completely unlocked for anyone. And second, unauthorized access. That means the wrong people get inside, through stolen passwords or other sneaky ways.
But here's the thing. The cloud isn't just the problem. It's actually the foundation for the solution.
Modern security platforms are now specifically designed to protect this kind of critical infrastructure.
These platforms watch for threats 24/7, automatically fix security gaps, and can respond instantly to attacks.
And this really shows the ultimate goal, protecting public health and making sure our water is always safe.
Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.